If you say como vai você to Brazilians, they will know you learned Portuguese from a textbook. But if you walk in and say,
E aí, beleza?
suddenly you're part of the tribe. Today you'll learn the social starter pack, the slang Brazilians actually use to open conversations and make plans. Olá pessoal! Today you'll learn some slang words most Brazilians use. Let's begin with the one I like to call the Swiss Army knife of greetings. Repeat after me. E aí. Now linking. E aí. E aí. What we like about e aí is that it means, hey, what's up? How is it going? All at once. E aí? Next we have cara. Cara. Cara literally means face, but in slang terms it means man, dude. You can use it with friends, colleagues. Yeah? Cara. Cara is a more universal option. Use mano when you want to sound more like a bro, yes? Or in more casual, urban settings. Mano. Mano. By the way, avoid cara and mano in more formal meetings. Next we have beleza. Beleza. Beleza literally means beauty, but in Brazilian slang it means okay, good, fine. Beleza. E aí, cara? Beleza?
Beleza.
Now we have a very important verb. Topar. Topar. Topar means to agree to something. So if someone asks you, você topa? They want to know if you'd like to join them, yeah? In this case, you can answer affirmatively. Topo. Topo. Yeah, so for example, você topa ir ao cinema?
Topo.
Another way to respond affirmatively to invitations is fechou. You are repeating out loud, aren't you? Fechou. Fechou is the past of close. Yeah, fechou means closed. But when a plan is finalized, it's something like it's a deal. Fechou. Fechou. Next. In informal context, forget about obrigado, obrigada for a second. Valeu. Valeu is the short, cool way to say thanks. Valeu. Valeu. And you know what? Valeu also works as a goodbye. Yeah. E aí, cara, beleza?
Beleza.
Topa ir ao cinema mais tarde?
Topo.
Fechou. Até depois.
Até. Valeu.
Learning slang words isn't about sounding like a teenager. It's about sounding like a local who understands the rhythm of the language. Now I have a question for you. If a friend invites you for coffee, in Portuguese, would you say beleza, topo, fechou? Tell me in the comments. Thank you very much for watching another lesson, and if you feel like making any contributions to our channel, click right here. See you next time. Até a próxima. Fechou? Até a próxima. Tchau!